Hello and welcome to today's video, and it's coming to you from the Dearne Arts Fair. Let me just show you the building that we're in and I'll give you a quick guided tour. This is our local senior school, and they've let us use it for our art fair this year. So we'll pop in and we'll see what's going on. So it looks like things are all in full swing now. Got quite a few very nice artists here, and we're looking forward to a weekend with some great creative people. So we've got some lovely turning. I love wood turning. That's great. At this moment in time they're still setting up, and that's what I'm doing as well, and I'm going to take you through into the rooms that I'm going to be in. So we'll be doing that soon. That's a lovely photograph. So this is the area that I'm in at the moment. I've got myself set up. I've got my pictures here, as you can see, all set out. Very organised, business cardy kind of things, and all my pictures. And I'm sure most of you see my video blogs and things. I've seen most of these pictures before, and I'm going to be working from there, and that's what I'm going to be working on. Some Hahnemühle paper, very nice paper that. I hope to be able to show you some of the stuff that I'm going to be doing very briefly. Then again, I've got at this side some more of me pictures laid out. So that's it basically. For the moment, we'll be making periodic visits into the video later on as people start arriving and various events happen. So we'll see you later. They're just setting up now for ceremony opening.
Very, very pleased to welcome you to the second Dearne Community Arts Festival. Last year we were at the Dearne Playhouse, and I think you will agree that we've outgrown that venue. So this year we're at Dearne ALC. We're very grateful to Dearne ALC for hosting us, and I'd like to say thank you to Richard Wordsworth, the business manager here, who has worked really hard to give us access to so much of this building that we can use for exhibitions, for workshops, for demonstrations, all kinds of things, and for performances. We'll be having our first concert in here. Natalia is going to be giving us a piano concert immediately after the prize. I'm going to hand over now to the Mayor, Councillor Steve Green.
Well, good morning, and I'm delighted to have been asked to officially open the Dearne Community Arts. It gives me great pleasure in declaring the Dearne Community Arts Festival open. Can I just say, without the speeches, I've only been in here 5 minutes, and there's so much talent in this building, it's unreal. So I'm really looking forward to visiting all the different stores and all the local people and neighbours. It's absolutely brilliant to get all this under one roof and showcasing all this fantastic work. So very much thank you for inviting me here today. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm at the stage of finishing the drawing. It's of this Japanese geisha girl. You can see that. I've used, to get the correct scale, I've used my scaling divider, and we're just about done with regards getting the line art drawn. Obviously I'm going to be doing a watercolour over this, so we'll see you later on once we've got a bit further into the painting. Let's just have a look round the event itself briefly. Now it's open and everything. We've got a few bits of gallery work and some lovely, you know, I didn't know there were this many talented artists in the area, to be frank. So that makes me Very happy. One of my great passions, photography, and absolutely spot on these, all of them. We've got somebody here who's obviously a face painting, oils, painting. Now these are special. Look at these. I would assume they're oil on canvas, but there's some cracking paintings here.
Good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Me to join in.
Sorry. Very good. So,
Anyway, I'll leave you.
Oh, can I keep this though?
What?
Can I keep that?
Yeah.
I always wanted one of them for a laser printer. Is that what that one is? Or is it
engraver.
It is an engraver, is it? Oh, I'm always struggling. Oh, some girls will love this. Very nice. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. I'm making good progress with this part of the painting, getting some of the darker tones into the air and putting a bit of detailing and highlighting in. The face is almost all done. I will do little bits of tweaking. I've got to strengthen the lips there and put bits of detailing around the painting. I've also got this to do, so I've got a fair bit to do, but I'm starting to get to the point where it's getting close to a painting that I'm happy with. This is the work that we did yesterday, watercolour painting, based on this reference photo, and that was the final outcome, although we'll probably work at it later on when I get home. So it's day 2, and I'm in the room where I'm doing my demos, so we'll have to have a look and see what goes on today at the Dearne Art Fair, and we're looking forward to this second and last day. So what I plan on doing today is this photo reference as a watercolour, and while that's drying I'm also going to do a bit of sketching and get that laid out. So I've made a start on this particular drawing based on this photograph. So I've got the blue of the water and the blue of the sky done with this one. So we're making steady progress. Here's how far I've got with the pencil sketch I was doing between the painting, and I've been videoing this particular piece of artwork that I'm doing, and I'll finish it off at home and do a speed video, I think. So this is bringing this particular fair to an end, and thank you for watching, and thank you for the venue for having us. So I think this is the painting pretty much done and completed from what I started at the art fair yesterday. I'll leave it at this for the moment, and I might tweak it later on, but that's as much as I'm going to be doing with it for now. So thank you for popping by and having a look at my weekend's activities in this video blog, if you want to call it that, and we'll see you again in a proper tutorial sometime soon. Bye.